Hi friends, I am Manzoor and welcome back to my channel Healthy Talks. Today we are going to discuss a very important and interesting topic, cholesterol. There is so much misconception about cholesterol. The good cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, HDL cholesterol. Too much confusion. But don't worry, relax. By the end of this video, you will understand if cholesterol is really bad for your health. This is really an important video and please make sure to watch the video till the end. It all started with this guy on your screen who is responsible for all the confusion. His name is Ancel Keys. He was a biologist and pathologist. In the 1950s, America was in the middle of terrible epidemic. People started collapsing with a sudden tightening of the chest, and at that time doctors didn't know the exact cause. The disease had appeared seemingly out of nowhere and had grown quickly to become the nation's leading cause of death. The nation was thirsty for answers. Key's ideas were thrust into national spotlight in 1955 when President Eisenhower suffered a first of several heart attacks. The nation wanted immediate answers and Keyes gave immediate answer with his hypothesis. And it was saturated fat raises cholesterol in our blood. Cholesterol clogs our arteries which leads to heart disease. So he advised everyone to stop eating saturated fats. Plain and simple. Ancel Keys, to prove his point, showed data from 7 different countries where people with heart diseases has excess cholesterol in their blood. And also they ate so much of saturated fat which simply proves his hypothesis. If you are not aware what the saturated fats are, these are the same fats which we find in egg yolk, coconut oil, ghee, meat, etc. He was then a national hero and his information spread throughout the world like a wildfire. But for some doctors it didn't make any sense. They started looking further and they found there was data from 22 different countries, but Keyes handpicked only 7 that fits his idea. Which means 15 out of 22 countries didn't show any relationship between consumption of fats, cholesterol and heart disease. For example, Holland and Norway eat a lot of fat, but they have very little heart disease. And a country like Chile, where people don't eat much fat, have lot of heart disease. So Keyes straight away manipulated the data and lied to prove his hypothesis, which is costing millions of lives till date. So the next time if someone asks you not to eat ghee, butter or coconut oil, just share this video to them, and if you really like this video as of now, please do hit the like and subscribe buttons. Quickly, the mega billion-dollar pharma industry saw an opportunity to make money by selling drugs which reduced cholesterol. They spread the information throughout the world that dietary cholesterol was the cause of heart disease. And they happily made billions of dollars each year selling the drugs which reduced cholesterol. The drugs are now known as statins. So the pharma industry is also one of the culprits for this confusion. I am sure you have seen these kinds of foods with low fat or zero fat labels on them. This is because of the food industry taking advantage of Keyes' hypothesis to make money. They too spread the cholesterol heart attack connection throughout the world to sell their low-fat products to make money. In 2016, some documents were leaked in the Journal of the American Medical Association confirming that the sugar industry paid scientists in the 1960s to play down the link between sugar and heart disease and to promote saturated fat as the culprit. Even today, sugar industry has been downplaying its role and promoting saturated fat as the real culprit. Do you know that a human liver makes 1 gram of cholesterol every day, as it is very essential for us? For example, if your body doesn't have enough cholesterol, then your body doesn't convert ultraviolet rays from sun into vitamin D. As you are aware, vitamin D is called sunshine vitamin. Without enough cholesterol, our body cannot convert UV rays into vitamin D. Cholesterol plays a very crucial role in different functions in our body. You can pause the video and you can read some important functions if you are really interested. How often we hear people saying if your cholesterol is too high, you have a greater chance of heart attack and all the stuff. So let's talk about blood clots, heart attacks and strokes. Many people want to avoid blood clots and they want to avoid getting a stroke. I'm absolutely sure you do as well. A clot is called thrombus in medical terms, and what makes up a clot is 65% fibrin, 20% platelets, 10% RBC. And by the way, fibrin, platelets and RBC are all protein. So 95% of thrombus is nothing but protein. And then 4% cholesterol and 1% white blood cells. So to be honest, only a small fraction of a clot is really made of cholesterol. So consuming cholesterol is not going to form clots. Saturated fats and cholesterol are not the triggers of clots. If you are not eating healthy saturated fats in a fear that it will form clots in your arteries, then you need to relax. You can start eating saturated fats again. I hope this video has given you a clarity on cholesterol and the lies we have always been told. If you really like this video, please spread this information to as many people as you can. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more healthy talks. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.